In this video, I'm going to show you how I got Claude to read an ACORD 140, then take all of that client info and actually put it into a submission on a mock carrier portal that I made for this demo. And I'll show you how you can have it fill multiple carrier submission portals at the same exact time for you. This took 4.5 minutes. That's it. And all I asked Claude to do was submit to, then I gave it the link of the portal, and I said using the info in this ACORD. This is Claude, the desktop app on my computer, specifically inside of Cowork. I have an entire course on this, which I've linked down below. I also have a bunch of free videos on it, and it can then submit all the information for you. The beautiful part is it can actually control multiple tabs of Chrome at the same time. So here I have a second version of a mock carrier submission portal and a third version, and I'm going to give it these links, and I'm going to say also submit to, and then this carrier, and let's say this carrier, and you guys can check out these links and test this out on your own computer as well. And I'm going to say in parallel, and in parallel is going to tell Claude to do these in parallel, side by side. So real quick, before I show you how to actually do this and set up Claude for Chrome, I want to just show you how magical it is when it does 2 at a time. So I'm just going to swap back and forth for a second to show you the process. First, Claude is going to think about this for a little bit, and then it's going to get started. You can see here on the left side, Claude kicked off 2 agents. Agents are basically mini Claudes that are going to go and do a task for you. You can see here on the right side, it is taking screenshots of Chrome to figure out exactly what fields are in this portal, what they're named, and that way it can figure out exactly what it'll need to fill out. Then it's going to grab the context from the ACORD 140 and fill this out. You can see it's doing this on this Meridian Mutual one that I created. And then on Summit, it's also running here, and it is scrolling down by itself, taking screenshots and capturing the different fields. And you can see all these screenshots are being captured automatically, and it is reading this form. So it's going to do both of these side by side for me. You can see it's clicking that orange little mouse here in the middle of the screen. That's Claude controlling its own mouse. And it's going to submit both of these. You can see right there, it just filled out on the bottom one, John Smith. And on the top one, it also filled out all this information, John Smith. Here's his address in Hawaii, the transaction type, the agent broker name, etc. This is all just sample info. That's why you see the same names, etc. But it has like their security company, the sprinkler system, has their roofing years. All of this is automatically getting filled out for me. And you can try this on any of your carrier portals. I even use this personally on Facebook Marketplace to go find me deals when I want to buy something used. I can just say, hey, I want to buy an iPad, Air. Go find me the best deal on iPad Air and message people and ask them why they're selling it and if it's still available. This works on any website that you want to use. And so you can see this one, it says submission received. And then this bottom one as well. It's going through the submission process, and we can see that it filled out all of this info right here for us. And then I could hit submit application, or I could have it do it on its own. I'm going to just let these run, but that is the magic of having Claude control Chrome for you. And you can see it says, please fill out this field. And so Claude is even going to figure out what the required fields are. If it needs me to hop in at some point, if it's missing some data, like a phone number, it can just come back to me inside of Claude and say, hey, it's asking for a phone number. Which one should I use? You really have to think of Claude as an assistant to use in your business. And if you have employees, you should be giving Claude to your employees so they could be saving a lot of time. They can be controlling their own Claude. As I just mentioned, it will ask you for the information. So it says Portal 3 requires a contact phone number that isn't on the ACORD. How should I handle it? A placeholder, I give it a number, or leave it and stop. So I'm going to say leave it and stop. And then it will tell me, okay, Portal 2 was submitted. Portal 3 is left unsubmitted because it needs a phone number. Okay, so it says fully filled but not submitted, blocked on required phone call. And now I, as a human, can go in here. I can check, okay, it needs a phone number. I'm just going to put in a number here. And now I'll be able to submit. There we go, application submitted. It's that simple. So now let's get into how to actually set this up with Chrome. The first step to take is adding the Claude extension to Google Chrome. So if you use Microsoft Edge or Safari or Firefox, you need to first make sure you're using Google Chrome and then do a search for Claude for Chrome extension. That will take you to this page, which I have linked in the bottom of this video. And then all you need to click is the blue button that says Add to Chrome. Then click on Add Extension, and you will see the Chrome icon adds, and you will need to log into your Claude account. I'm going to continue with Google and sign in. Make sure this is the same Claude account, so same email address that you're using in Claude Cowork. If you don't know which email address you're using, click on your initials in the bottom left corner, and here you will see the email address that it shows you. Make sure you use the same login. Once you've logged in, it'll say, do you want to authorize Claude for Chrome? I'm going to click authorize, and now Claude is connected to Chrome. The next thing we need to do is inside of the Claude desktop app on our computer, inside of Cowork, we need to click on Customize, so this little toolbox icon on the left, then select Connect Your Apps, and then search for Google Chrome. So I'm just going to type in Chrome, and we'll see this little plus icon here. Once I click the plus, I need to click Install in the top right corner. Click Install, and there we go. So now to test this, let's just go into a new chat, and I'm going to say something simple like open google.com and type Claude worked. Use the Chrome connection. Then I'll click enter. If it works properly, then on the middle of the chat, we'll see it will ask for permission to use Chrome. So Claude can't just go rogue and go to any website without first getting it approved by you. It'll say, do you allow for this website or do you allow all browser actions? I'm going to say allow all browser actions. I've been doing this for months. I feel very comfortable. And you'll see that now it opened a new tab of Chrome for me. And I don't even have to go to Chrome, right? It's just doing this in the background. We can see on the right side, it's taking a screenshot of Google, so it's figuring out where exactly to put it in. And if I go to that tab, you can see that it actually didn't work. Interesting. So I'm going to tell Claude. It didn't work. It looks like a blank box. Try again. Okay. So you can see that little orange cursor right here. So that's where Claude is. And Claude is going to move its own mouse. You can see it clicked on the text box, and now it typed in Claude worked. So I'm not sure why it didn't work on the first try, but you can see you just have to tell Claude, hey, you didn't do this correctly. Can you try it again? And usually it'll figure it out. So now it worked, and I can get it to go to any website. So I could even have it go to that carrier portal, which if you guys want to try it, this is the URL. I'm going to say, go to WhereToBegin.ai/demo, carrier portal 1, and tell me what it is. You can see when I click enter, it's going to open another tab in Chrome automatically. It's going to read through it, and it'll tell us what this page is, which is a new submission for commercial property. There we go. It's a demo carrier agent portal, commercial property from WhereToBegin.ai, which is Ben's course site. That's it. That's how you connect Claude to Chrome. It can go on Facebook Marketplace for you. It can order stuff on Amazon. It can submit to carrier portals. It can do anything that you as a human would do in Chrome other than attaching files, because as soon as you click attach a file, then it goes to your computer rather than Chrome. So it can enter information for you. It can go on different websites for you, but it cannot yet attach documents. I'm sure that's coming, but I hope this video helped you. If you're interested in my course about Claude Cowork, you can get it on wheretobegin.ai/claude-for-insurance-course, or you can just click the link down below. WhereToBegin.ai also works, but I wanted you to see the insurance specific page. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.